Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Forza Horizon 5 on your laptop using a controller. First, confirm your laptop meets the game's system requirements for optimal performance. Next, connect your controller, whether it is a wired USB device or a wireless Bluetooth one. Finally, install the game from your preferred platform, like Steam or the Xbox application, ensuring a smooth setup process before you hit the road. Once the game is running, head straight into the settings menu. Look for the controller or input section, which allows you to see and modify all your control assignments. This is where you can personalize button layouts, adjust steering sensitivity, and fine-tune other crucial settings. Taking a few moments here ensures your controller feels like a natural extension of your driving, enhancing your overall experience. To get the best out of your game, dive into the graphics settings. Here, you can find the sweet spot between stunning visuals and a consistent frame rate, perhaps aiming for 60 frames per second. Also, decide if you prefer controller vibration on or off for tactile feedback. Don't forget to explore advanced control options, such as steering linearity and dead zones, to gain even more precise control over your vehicle. For a consistently smooth experience, remember a few best practices. Always keep your controller and laptop graphics drivers updated to their latest versions. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Finally, ensure your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries, preventing any unexpected interruptions during your high-speed races. Enjoy the open road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.